Introducing the OnePlus 15 in Infinite Black with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Key features include Personalised AI, a game-changing 165Hz display, and a triple 50MP camera with 4K 120fps Dolby Vision. This device features India's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a 7,300 mAh battery, Personalised AI, a 165Hz display, and a triple 50MP camera with 4K 120fps Dolby Vision. The OnePlus 15 is available with no-cost EMI on your HDFC Bank credit card, all EMI plans. The MRP is 76,999 rupees. Power on, limits off. The OnePlus 15 is India's first smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It features advanced 360-degree cooling, ultra-fast RAM, and high-speed storage for exceptional performance. Experience ultimate performance with tri-chips. The OnePlus 15 has a blazing 165Hz refresh rate, the OP Gaming Core engine, and a dedicated G2 Wi-Fi chip for ultra-low latency. Meet Plus Mind, the world's first AI tool built to work seamlessly with Gemini. It captures, organizes, and recalls everything you see, powered by OnePlus AI in the Mindspace app. Go further, faster. The massive 7,300 mAh battery delivers exceptional efficiency. The OnePlus 15 supports 120W Super VOOC wired and 50W Air VOOC wireless ultra-fast charging. Capture the world like a pro. Record Android's first 4K 120fps Dolby Vision video. It is powered by a 50MP triple camera and the Detail Max engine for crisp, true-to-life shots in any light. The OnePlus 15 has the most complete IP ratings in the industry, including IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. Combined with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, your phone is protected against anything. Customer reviews highlight exceptional performance, a gorgeous display, stunning 50MP camera, and the first Android device with 4K 120fps Dolby Vision. It's a premium device with great value.